Hi, welcome to Mad Machine. Fasten your seatbelt, raise yourself, and don't forget to grab some snacks so you can binge watch this video till the end. The first one, D&L Timber Technologies. D&L Timber Technologies is dropping all kinds of sawmills, from portable to stationary models. Built for high production, these machines are super efficient and perfect for all your woodcutting needs. Next, Baker 3665D. Baker 3665D is a hydraulic sawmill built for high production. It can chop logs up to 36 inches like a boss, making it super efficient and perfect for big operations that need speed and precision. Next, TimberKing 1600. The TimberKing 1600 is a robust sawmill capable of cutting logs up to 36 inches in diameter. Known for its ease of use, this machine is designed for high production. With features that enhance efficiency, the TimberKing 1600 is well suited for wood businesses that require speed and precision in cutting. Next, Norwood Lumbermate LM29. Norwood Lumbermate LM29 is the ultimate portable sawmill for wood lovers. It can chop logs up to 29 inches and is built for easy transport and use. With its user-friendly design, you can set it up in no time and get to cutting, making it a solid pick for those small projects. Next, Mighty Mite sawmills. Mighty Mite sawmills are known for their compact design. These machines are super efficient and perfect for all kinds of wood cutting tasks. Making them a great choice for small businesses. Next, LumberPro HD36. LumberPro HD36 is a portable sawmill that can handle logs up to 36 inches. Built for high production, this machine is super efficient and perfect for serious woodworkers. Next, Hudson Homesteader. Hudson Homesteader is made for homesteaders and wood enthusiasts. It's lightweight and portable, so you can easily stash it away and take it to your job site. Next, Timberwolf sawmills. Timberwolf Sawmills has a lineup of sawmills built for everything from small to big operations. Known for their durability and efficiency, these machines are perfect for all kinds of wood-cutting tasks. Next, SERRA sawmills. SERRA Sawmills is all about high-quality sawmills, offering a bunch of models tailored to fit your specific wood-cutting needs. Next, Baker 2-head sawmill. Baker 2-head sawmill is a beast with 2 heads, built for high production. This machine can slice through multiple logs at once, cranking up the efficiency. Next, Norwood Lumber Pro HD38. Norwood Lumber Pro HD38 is a heavy-duty sawmill that can tackle logs up to 38 inches. Built for serious woodworkers, this machine is both efficient and super strong. Next, WoodMizer LX450. WoodMizer LX450 is a portable sawmill packed with advanced features for high production. It can slice through big logs with precision, making it perfect for the wood industry. So what do you guys think about those machines? Do you reckon they can make life easier? Can they help you get the job done faster? Drop a comment on which machine you think is the best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss new videos from this channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.